everyone, my name is Gianna Singh. I study in class 4, the GD Goenka Public School. Today, I am going to make a perfume. For making a perfume, I will take a big beaker and put this tea in it, 1.5 spoon of tea, like this. First, we will take this, pour it under it. After that, we will take this. We will only take it half, like this. And now we will pour this. After that, we will keep it aside. Then we will take the small beaker and pour 20 ml of water. So now we will put it into this big beaker. Now we will take this spoon and mix it well. Now after stirring it, now we will keep it 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, we will take this big beaker and pour its solution in the small beaker. Now we will take the spoon and put the tea also in that beaker. Now I poured the solution in the small beaker. Now I will take the sieve and just put it like this and pour again the water into the big beaker. So now you can see that the color is very nice. Now we will keep this aside. Now we will take the spray bottle and put 5 ml of glycerine in this bottle, like this. Now we will take the solution and pour it into the spray bottle. So I poured all my solution in the spray bottle. Now we will take the food coloring and put 3 ml of food coloring. After putting the food coloring, we will take a fragrance and put 6 to 7 drops of the fragrance. Now after this, we will take this stick and just mix it a little. After this, we will close the spray bottle and then shake it and keep it for 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, I will again open this spray bottle and pour a little bit of water till here. Like this, we will pour it. Keep the water aside. Then again, close the spray bottle. Shake shake it a little and keep it for 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes our perfume is ready. Now we will check the perfume. I will spray a little. Gianna will rub. The perfume fragrance is very nice. Thank you.